Sistema Estatal de Protección Civil Jalisco. El sistema de alerta temprana por ciclones tropicales indica que
Hurricane Enrique is the first tropical cyclone of its kind in the Northeast Pacific this 2021 hurricane season and is expected to intensify in the coming hours. The National Meteorological Service said the center of the system was located early Sunday morning, just 315 kilometers south of Cabo Corrientes, Jalisco State. Although Enrique will not touch the ground yet, he will move north, off the coast of Mexico, spreading his tentacles across the country. Due to its ubiquity, heavy rain is expected over the next 24 hours in the states of Michoacán, Guerrero, Jalisco, Colima, and Nayarit. Rain can be accompanied by electric shock and strong winds, as well as rising rivers and streams, landslides and flooding in lowlands, the climate agency said. In addition to storms, adverse sea conditions are expected in these states. On the coasts of Jalisco, Colima, and Michoacán, waves can reach 6 meters in height. Strong winds with gusts of up to 100 kilometers per hour are also expected. The wind is expected to continue to pick up this Sunday, reaching the second category, the climate agency warned. At this time, it registers the maximum wind speed with stronger gusts up to 185 kilometers per hour. Enrique won't hit Mexico like a hurricane, but it is expected to be a tropical storm. The meteorological agency has called on the populations of Michoacán, Colima, Guerrero, Nayarit, Jalisco, Sinaloa, and Baja California Sur to take extreme precautions and review updates issued by the government and civil protection agencies. Mexico's defense ministry said it is sending soldiers to help civilians in anticipation of landslides and flooding due to the hurricane.
Reportando el clima aquí del Maleconcito del Sol en Barra de Navidad. Son las 9:20. A esta hora así están llegando